Hi Andy, this is Unksho. As you can see, this is somewhat white night. Sorry about some other people that are not sleeping. That's pretty outrageous. But I gotta tell you that it's 18 minutes past 2 in the morning. So this is kind of a white night. Maybe not the whitest ever, because we haven't reached the climax of white nights yet, but you can hear a very loud nightingale because they have waken up, just waken up because they were sleeping, and I have been here a few minutes ago, and literally a few minutes ago he wasn't this loud and he was sitting quietly, but now this is amazing, isn't it? Can you hear it? The mite is sitting somewhere on that plot, and this is such a romantic night. Mm, I mean, I will try to record somewhat other white nights as well, but it's not that easy because someone is always on our plot and someone is always sleeping. But tonight is a unique chance. I have a unique chance to show you around at this time. Sorry about giggling individuals on the neighborhood plot, but today is Saturday and a lot of people doing some dumb things. Um, I think that even the birds in the woods have got quiet. Well, as you see, that is the edge plot, and behind which there are the woods, and that is the gate to the woods. It's getting really, really light each single minute. And this is amazing that I have caught the moment where the nightingale started singing so loudly, because literally a few minutes ago he was sitting still. So we lucked out, and yeah, I'm glad that I'm here at this moment now and I can share it with you, because we've just had this wonderful talk. So it's such a romantic night, don't you think? And I can share it with you. Mm. The air is so wet, and you can see this light coming out of there. And I think that sun will be rising on that side. So I finally made some food, so I can go upstairs now and have some sleep. There are some other birds as well, somewhere over there, but mm, their voices are um, covered, overshadowed by Nightingale's voice. He's so loud, and on that side it's a little darker, but my camera shows it as quite light sky, actually, maybe even lighter than it is in reality. But maybe it sees a lot better than my eyes. I don't know. I'm not sure about that. Okay, one more glance at the night forest and I will go upstairs. It's just so hard to go away because it's such an amazing night. Really remarkable. It's quite chilly. I gotta say that it's pretty cold. But in such nights that are, I don't know, when the air is wet and everything is wet, in between thunderstorms, and you remember that, yeah, I was suspecting that something happened to our transmitter that is actually right behind those houses. So, but it's amazing how quickly the skies cleared up. It's so light and the sky is absolutely clear. I think we should thank relatives for this because I told them that I wanted to go on a hike tomorrow and wanted to buy some items in Tosna. So they cleared up the skies for me, and yeah, that's another transmitter over there. Some people think that it's a UFO, but it's not. Okay, nobody's actually sleeping, and I was doing some stuff, but I think I should switch off the lights and go to bed. Well, you can see that there's light upstairs and I switched it on. Okay, I hope you like this video and my improvised excursion in white nights. So, see you today. Isn't it amazing? This mysterious light that, and it's quite misty. You can see that it's like some fog, but it's not fog. It's just humidity. Anyway, amazing this light. Okay, see you soon.